In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover from accidental deletions in Notion, step by step, even if you think your page is completely gone. This is one of those features every Notion user should know, because mistakes happen, pages get deleted accidentally, and knowing how to recover them can save you hours of work. Whether you're using Notion for personal notes, project management, or running an entire business, this quick recovery method is a lifesaver. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future Notion tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Notion on your desktop or web browser and make sure you're logged into the correct workspace. On the left-hand sidebar, scroll all the way down until you see an option called Trash. This is where Notion stores all deleted pages before they're permanently removed. Go ahead and click on Trash. Once you're inside the Trash section, you'll see a list of pages that have been deleted recently. Notion keeps deleted pages here so you can easily recover them if the deletion was accidental. Take a moment to scroll through the list and locate the page you want to restore. You can also use the search bar at the top of the trash panel if you have a lot of deleted pages and need to find a specific one quickly. When you find the page you want to recover, click directly on that page. Notion will open a preview of it so you can confirm it's the correct one. At the top of the page, you'll see an option to restore the page. Click the Restore button, and Notion will immediately move the page back to its original location in your workspace. If the original location no longer exists, Notion will usually place the restored page at the top level of your sidebar, so you can move it wherever you want. After restoring the page, take a few seconds to navigate back to where it belongs, and make sure everything looks correct. All of your content, including text, images, databases, and subpages, should be restored exactly as they were before deletion. This recovery process works for most accidental deletions, as long as the page hasn't been permanently removed yet. One important thing to keep in mind is that pages in trash are not stored forever. If too much time passes, or if you manually empty the trash, those pages may be permanently deleted and no longer recoverable. That's why it's a good habit to check the trash as soon as you realize something is missing. And that's it! You've successfully recovered an accidentally deleted page in Notion using the built-in trash feature. This simple trick can save you from panic and lost productivity, especially when working on important projects. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more Notion tips and productivity tutorials, and share this video with someone who might need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.